In this video, I will show you how to create a CV using Canva. First things first, open up the Canva app on your device. Make sure you're signed into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's free and easy to sign up. Now, look for the plus button located at the bottom center of your screen. Tap on it to begin creating your CV. You'll now see a search bar with the prompt, "What would you like to create?" Tap on that bar and type in CV. Once the results appear, you'll notice two main options, Resume A3 Landscape and Resume A4 Portrait. Choose the one that suits your preference best. For most job applications, the A4 Portrait is a popular choice. After selecting your format, browse through the available templates. Canva offers a variety of stylish designs tailored for different industries and personal styles. Once you've found a template that resonates with you, simply tap on it. This will open up an editable version of your chosen design. Now comes the fun part, customizing your CV. Everything in this template is fully editable. Start by changing any placeholder text with your own information. If you'd like to change the photo placeholder in your CV, simply tap on it. At the bottom of your screen, options will appear, select Replace. From here, choose an image from your gallery. Once satisfied with all changes made, it's time to save. Tap on Share at the top right corner, then select Download. Choose PDF print for high-quality output, which is ideal for job applications. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.